It helped me on how to perform administrative duties, how to do accounting procedures. And with those skills, I am now able to help other students while being an instructional assistant. My name is Yasmania Carter, and I'm the instructional assistant for Metro Tech's legal office and accounting programs. These programs are great for individuals looking to work in a professional office setting. We house them together here at the Business Technology Center, allowing students to learn in a collaborative classroom environment. Accounting students develop skills ranging from basic office tasks to advanced accounting principles and payroll techniques. Legal office students gain hands-on training in preparing legal correspondence and documents. There are no prerequisites, and both programs are open to juniors, seniors, and adults.
After I graduate Metro Tech, I want to go straight into OU. And taking this class gave me the foundation of how to public speak, how to communicate with others, and work in an environment of an office setting. So it was just kind of like a foundation for me to go off to college, to be like an easier flow. If I can give any advice to someone who's thinking about enrolling into this program, to have a clear goal. You're gonna change after Metro Tech for sure.